The Onga Warrior brings a fresh approach to cleaning your pool to give you a cleaner swim just when you need it. The Warrior's intelligently programmed steering cycle, combined with impressive suction, means that every corner of your pool is taken care of. And its cleverly designed dual-action roller skirt provides uninterrupted cleaning across pool floors, walls, and water lines. Its nimble two-wheel design is great for tight corners and getting into those hard-to-reach areas. From fine dust to larger and more challenging debris, the Warrior's unique SureFlow turbine means it won't get clogged or tangled. It just keeps on cleaning. And that leafy debris is all collected in that included leaf catcher. Best of all, straight out of the box, it's simple to use. Just detach the hoses, connect the skimmer or vacuum line, and let it go to work. Great for tile, gunite, fiberglass, and vinyl pools, and compatible with variable speed pumps, the Warrior is helpful for a range of pools. Bring in some serious support for your pool cleaning game with the Onga Warrior.